Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So I'm back with another video. My name is Salman and you are watching the PgAdmin by Idea Solution. So in this playlist we have so many videos related to the database installation and configuration. Like we have recently updated a video related to installation and downloading and installation of MongoDB, and we have several videos related to SQL Server configuration, installation of SQL Server, and other related problem of SQL Server. So most probably we have a lot of video related to that, and we also had in the installation of MySQL, and we had connected it to the .NET application, the ASP.NET Core. So this video is about Postgres. We are going to install the Postgres. So let's just start. So for installing the Postgres, just go to the Google and write download PostgreSql for Windows. Alright, so on the first you will see a link, Windows installer. Just click on that, and currently the version is 13. So I'll be doing what I'll be just downloading that. Download the installer, click on the installer, and the version 13.2 is the latest. Today it's 4th April and 9th April, so I'm downloading it. Might be this version could get upgraded in the future, so don't get upset. The installation will be remaining same. So till then it is installing. I'm pausing the video, so I'll be back. So my file is downloaded. I'm clicking it. You'll have to wait. Okay, here is the window. Just click next, and this is the installation directory. Click next. Alright, so we have all these options checked. So right now I'm not checking stack builder and command line tools. PgAdmin 4, basically PgAdmin 4 is the management tool for this database. And now click next, data directory, and next, and type your password. So I'll be typing in password. It will ask you to whether while you connecting to the PgAdmin, so make sure you set that password which is strong or authentic and memorable for you. So just click on the next, and this is the default port 5432 on which PostgreSql runs. So click next, next, and wait for the installation. Setup is now ready, and you'll have to wait for now. Okay, now the installation is being done, so just click on the finish button and then go to this start button and search for PgAdmin. Now you can see the Postgres is installed, and we have the PgAdmin for management tool. Like we have SQL Server Management Studio for SQL Server. Similarly, we have PgAdmin and for PostgreSql. The other option you may use are many other things are available, but few of the developer use command line tool, but the majority is you know attracted towards this PgAdmin. So it's taking time because the first time it is opening, so we'll have to wait. Alright, it's open now. It is asking me the password which I have provided at the time of installation, so I'll be writing the password. Alright, done. I'm done with it. Here is the server. I will have to create the server. again asking the password. Basically it is a web based management tool. So this is the dashboard, and right now I don't have any database. This is the default database Postgres, as we have master database in SQL Server. Similarly, we have Postgres is the master database. We can create the database, and we can create the multiple servers. We can create the schema, we can create the tables. Similarly, we used to create another database. So we'll try to have more video on this PostgreSql. So if you are interested, then please comment below. So that's pretty much for this video. If you like the video and it works for you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.